Hey guys, I'm kind of excited today. We are off to Vaper Honing Technologies. That's a pretty good shameless plug, right?
Sounds good.
So what are we looking at on the GPS?
This is where we're headed to, I think you said Mooresville?
Yep.
So we're passed by Belmont, Lowell, Dallas, North Carolina, to right there.
So, little road trip today. Nate has got all the engine cases busted apart, and I guess he's got them pretty well cleaned up. This Vaper Honing Technology are going to really super clean them, so I'm very excited. So anyway, if you want to come with us, going to take a road trip, take the engine cases, get them cleaned up, and let's go surprise Nate. He doesn't know we're coming. Are you coming with us?
I'm not going to be able to make it today. I've got to finish a couple projects
and
a couple meetings with clients, but I have everything ready to go. Let's go take a look.
Can we see?
Absolutely.
After you.
All right, thank you.
So this is the exciting bit. So Nate's done a pre-clean on all the engines, right, Nate?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty impressive, huh?
Yeah.
And how did you do this?
A lot of elbow grease. Parts cleaner and brushes and things like that. It just had a lot of road grime and chain lube and things like that I didn't want to get in their machine. That would be kind of an amateur thing to do to them, I would think. So I've got some other parts that have been blasted, but I'd say let's do them all.
Carburetors are okay?
Carburetors are good. They're polished, so I'm going to polish those back up and go through them.
You don't think that these things are worn out?
I don't.
Okay, so
no,
that was
not to the point where we can't buy replacement bits for them.
Perfect.
Yeah, absolutely. So cams are good. We've got a lot of good stuff, so pretty excited about it. Just want to get this thing clean, get everything pretty fine, and then we'll make some repairs to the case where it has some damage.
That's got some webbing problems inside, right?
Yep, but we'll get that all, and then we'll get on the crankshaft while that's being done and start coming together.
External cases, we'll get them machine shop polished.
Yep.
So these are getting cleaned. I don't know if you'll clean them for us today because you're not there, but
right.
Anyway, we'll get them dropped off and we'll get the whole process rolling. So, all right, road trip. All right, Mooresville. Let's go. So that is a 1978 Laverda 1200 3-cylinder Italian motorcycle engine. It was a cafe racer from the 70s, basically.
Wow.
Think it'll come up all right?
Definitely.
This is Jesse. He's our contact here. I put
Jesse.
Vaper
Honing Technologies, yes sir.
Honing Technologies. So basically,
Lincolnton.
what are we going to do to the cases?
We're going to take them up into the showroom and we're going to blast them with silica carbide.
Holy smokes. I mean, it really feels
Smooth in my hand.
So if you want to take a look at that middle cylinder.
Wow.
Because this is a sharp media, so it cuts the layers off. It cuts the coatings and stuff like that. If you had gasket material, it's just going to cut that off and remove it. Not the hard material like the metal, but anything other than.
I feel like I'm about to birth a calf.
Do you? Oh. Hey, I've been there for that behavior when I was a kid. I worked on a farm.
But it's going to be the original part, man.
Yeah, how it
That's
came,
what's
I mean,
amazing.
Yeah, this will be how it came out in 1978. This is really cool, Jesse. Well, we appreciate it, man. Thanks for your time today.
I appreciate this, man.
Yeah.
Give us the opportunity to do something like this.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for coming with us to Vaper Honing Technologies today. Big thanks to Jesse for giving us the time. And that was kind of funny because he said we're going to go to the showroom, and we were at the showroom. We had to clean some parts, and I guess the showroom is where they show you how it works. So he let us have a play with the machine, and he's very focused that he wants to really do them right. But it was just great to have a play, and super excited to see the cases coming clean. So obviously just a small part to build, a little bit of progress. Nate's found some wear and tear inside the motor that he wants to get repaired, so I'm glad that we're at this stage. And again, thanks for coming with us. Please, if you get a chance, hit the subscribe button. It's always helpful. Share with your friends if you can, and slowly the project's moving forward. Thanks for coming with us.